Good morning, Flawsome fam. We are back with another Let's Learn. Today we are learning the bowl and column stitch. It is on page 124. It is a really simple 2-row repeat. It seems to work up pretty quickly. I'm excited for you to see this one. So we are again working out of this 500 crochet stitches, the ultimate crochet stitch Bible. I am going to put the link in the description below if you want to pick up your copy of this book and follow along in this series. We're going to have fun in this series, and I can't wait for you to join us. Let's go ahead and hop in with the column and ball stitch. So I've got all of my chains ready for the square that I am making with each of these stitches, and it says work 5 treble crochets into the 8th chain from the hook. Okay, we've got, oh, let me get back in here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here, we're going to put 5 treble crochet. I'm not used to working with trebles because they're so loose. Let's see, that's 3. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like treble crochets? I think they're beautiful. I just I don't know why I worry about them. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and we put a treble right here in the 4th chain. We skip another 3. 1, 2, 3, and we put 5 into the next. How many is that? 4. How hard is it to count to 5? Well, in Marty's world, sometimes it can be pretty difficult. All right, and we skip another 3. Now, this is the thing with working these mini stitches into these chains is this one gets bunched up. So stretch it out and make sure you catch that first one. So we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and then put a treble in the 4th. Oh, Marty, come on. Luckily, it's still buckled. Okay. And then we skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And in that 4th chain, we're going to put 5 trebles. 2, 3. And I'm trying to hold on to this right here so it doesn't buckle that. Sometimes it works, and sometimes not so much. 3, 4, oh, and 5. And then we skip, ooh, did it, okay. We skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and we put 1 treble right here in the 4th. So basically we're just skipping 3 in between all of these. 1, 2, 3, and then we alternate between 5 trebles and 1 treble. I guess that's where they get the column and the bowl. Stupid joke, I know, it's fine. It's early in the morning. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch that bad boy out again. Skip 1, 2, 3, and into number 4. Oh. We skip 1, 2, 3. Okay. Is that 5? No, that's 4. Okay, so we are at the last. We're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and in this last, we're just going to put a single solitary lonely treble. Okay, so then it says, oh, let me show you what row 1 looks like. That is row 1. So we've got the bowls and the columns. I think that's pretty. What do you think? I think that's really pretty, actually. Okay, so then on row 2, which is the pattern repeat row, it begins the pattern repeat. Why I can't talk, I don't know. So we are going to chain 4, which counts as a treble. We're going to put 2 trebles into the first stitch, skip 2, and then a treble into the next, skip 2, 5 trebles into the next. And that's going to be how we repeat all the way to the end. So they say to turn first. I don't think it matters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Treble into the first. Or I guess 2 trebles into the first. We're going to skip 2. And oh, that's right in the middle. Okay. And then we do 1 treble. Skip 2. And then we put 5 right here. Marty. 1. Ooh. 2. 3. This pattern is super simple. 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we skip 2 and we put 1 treble right here. Skip 2 and 5. Ooh. Skip 2 and 1. Skip 2 and 5. This is actually working up a lot quicker than I expected. Oh no, not a double. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, single. Well, not a single, but I mean 1 treble. Skip 2, 5 trebles. Okay, then we're going to skip 2 and we're going to pop 1 treble right here. And then it does say to skip 2, and in this, the top of this turning chain, we're going to put 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that is the end of row 2. That's really cute. That's really cute. Okay, so for row 3, let me give me some yarn. Okay. Okay, so row 3 is the last of the row repeat. It says to chain 4. And then it says skip the first stitch. And then it says skip 2 and treble into the next. This is the part where I'm not really sure. Okay, so this must be for this one. Then we skip 2. And then we skip the 1, skip 2. And right here we put 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then basically we're going to do the same thing. We're going to skip 2, 1 treble, skip 2, 5 treble. So basically like we have been doing, it's the same pattern, just placed a little bit differently. Skip 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, I like it when that happens. Skip 2, 1. Skip 2, 5. I'm having a hard time with splitting my yarn. My hand's going numb. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We skip 2, 1. Skip 2, 5. 1, 2, 3. 4. And, come on, 5. Wow. Don't get it twisted. That is so pretty. Skip 2, single. Skip 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now we are at the end of this row, so we're going to skip 2, and we're just going to put 1 treble right here at the very end. All right, so that is row 1, 2, and 3. I think this is beautiful. What do you think? All right, so from here on out, we're going to repeat row 2 and 3 for as long as you want your little square to go. Now, my squares, oh, geez, I don't know if this is going to be long enough. It's going to have to be, I'm going to have to put an edge on it. Oh, okay, it's about 9 inches, almost 9 inches. Let me see if I can get it in there for you. It's almost 9 inches. So I think that'll be okay. I'll just have to put an edge around to get it up to where I need to go. But I'm going to go ahead and work all the way through. Okay, so I got it done. Look how pretty. Let me show you. I love how the columns and the bowls are just basically right next to each other. Like stacked on top of each other. That is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. What do you think? I like because it goes back and forth. So some of the bowls like stick out at you where other ones are back. So it's, I don't want to say it's 3D, but it kind of looks 3D to me. Anyway, what do you think? I think it's beautiful. I really do like this stitch, and it's so easy to work up. Like it's fast as lightning. So I don't know. I think maybe a sweater, a cardigan, um, something like, I think this would be really pretty as a cardigan. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you would do with this beautiful stitch. If you enjoyed this video, I'm super excited. We do this every week. Check out this video right here. This is the crow's foot lattice stitch. It was definitely something. Check it out. Talk to you next week. Bye now.